Let's take a look at what happened to Tesla today and to the rest of the market. Tesla is down $21.41, closed at 440.10. So that's down 4.64%. So that's a big move down. So let's recap where we are with this move. We are still above our big bullish channel. This is intact. The smaller bullish channel right here has been breached. So we are no longer in, this is not the best. Let's take a look at our congestion zone between 410.25 and 452.91. We have gotten outside of that congestion zone for 2 days exactly. So Tuesday and Wednesday, but today, boom, we are back into it. We cannot sugarcoat it. We had a buy signal after 452.91. Everything was good with this buy signal, but now things are coming back into a congestion zone. So we can now only conclude that Tesla is going sideways within this congestion zone and is no longer going higher. We are losing stochastic over 60, but we are still above the 21-day moving average. So what did happen today? The first thing is that Tesla recalls 6,200 Cybertrucks over light bar hazard. Regulators found that the truck's off-road light bar could detach while driving. Okay, it's a light bar. There's a problem with the light bar. They can detach. Okay, I can understand this. But the bigger news is that California asset manager CalPERS is opposing CEO Elon Musk's $1 trillion pay package that Tesla shareholders are voting on, Bloomberg reported. That's another thing to watch, but many Wall Street analysts expect the package to pass when votes are tallied at Tesla's annual shareholder meeting on November 6th. Failing to pass the package would create uncertainty for Tesla shareholders and likely irritate. Yes, of course, if this package does not pass, Elon might be deciding not to work on Optimus, its robot, as part of Tesla. He can just decide to create another company and do it on his own. This is really important that this package passes. And this big investor is mentioning that he does not like that $1 trillion package. So this is what sent the stock down. This is going to be resolved on November 6th. So this is 1 week from now. Let's hope that this move down is going to resorb itself because we don't know what is going to happen November 6th. Let's take a look at the rest of the market to see how the rest of the market fared. So VIX is pretty much sideways. After a couple of days moving higher, now it's stabilizing. Dow Jones moving down a little bit, seems like it wants to retouch support after having breaking it nicely a couple of days ago. SPX, the same thing. So SPX is caving in too. We were outside of the bullish channel for 3 days and now we are caving in a little bit. But all of our indicators are still good. QQ, the same thing. So far, all of the indicators are good. So this is only a pullback. Nasdaq, the same thing. Nasdaq went up to the resistance, never broke it, and now it seems like it wants to come back a little bit. And Russell has been coming back down for the past 6 days. Let's take a look at gold and silver. So gold and silver are really picking up. And look at this. Gold is up 2.15%, bouncing on support. Bullish channel resistance is now support. So this is interesting. It looks like it's bouncing. So maybe with a good stochastic, we could be getting back into this. And silver, the same thing. Quite strong rebound, maybe going back into the bullish channel, but still no bullish indicators yet. Okay, Bitcoin had been coming down, and Bitcoin, this is picture perfect. It stopped at 106,437, exactly where it stopped Friday, October 17th, right here. So at least we are not going lower. We are not going higher, but at least we are not going lower. Ethereum is also moving sideways, bouncing exactly on support. So let's hope that they are going to pick up soon. And BMNR is falling quite dramatically right here. So we have lost support at 47.38. So next support is going to be at 39.58. If we break that 39.58, then we are going to 29.65. Not the best day across the board. Everything is pulling back. We had a nice move this week. We cannot complain. Super nice move. Things are cooling down a little bit, but we are not as bad as where we were last week. Let's just breathe a little bit. Our technical indicators are mostly pretty good. Let's just wait until this pullback passes. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.